Welcome to Gyan Setu, the knowledge bridge. In this video, we will discuss class 7 exercise 1.3. Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss class 7 chapter 1 exercise 1.3. In first question, we have to find the product. Means we have to multiply 3 minus 1 equals to 3 1 ja 3 and sign will be of negative because minus is 1 and 1 is odd. B minus 1 into 225. 225 1 ja 225 and sign will be of minus. C minus 21 into minus 30. So first we multiply 21 3s are. It is 63 and 1 0. Then minus minus, there are 2 minus and 2 is a even. So the sign will be of positive. Minus 316 into minus 1. Then minus minus cancel. 316 into 1, it is equals to 316. Is minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Then when we multiply a number with 0, the result will be 0. F minus 12 into minus 11 into minus 10. Then first we multiply 11 tens are. Then it is 110 minus 110 and minus 110 into minus 12. Then 12 into 11, it is 132 and 1 0. Minus minus cancel. Then the answer will be 1320. G is 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Then 9 3s are 27 and 27 6s are 162. Minus are even, so there will be positive sign. H is minus 18 into 5 into minus 4. Then 5 4s are 20 and 18 2s are 36 and 1 0. Then minus 360. So we can do I and H also. Like this, we have to multiply and count the sign. This is even or odd. Count the negative sign. When it is odd, we put the minus sign, and when the sign will be of even, so we don't put negative sign. Question number 2, verify. We have to verify. So we have to check what is LHS and RHS. Then see, LHS equals to given 18 into 7 plus minus 3. Then first we solve the bracket. 7 minus 3 4, 18 4 just 72. LHS equals to 70. Now check what is RHS. RHS equals to 18 7s are 126 and 18 3s are 54. 126 minus 54, it is 72. Then we can see LHS and RHS both are same. So it is proved or verified. So now we can solve B part also like this. We first solve LHS and then RHS. Then evaluate LHS and RHS are same or not. It is given A is an integer. We have to evaluate or equals to minus 1 into A. So when we multiply minus 1, the result will be, what is the number A? we put the negative sign. So when we multiply a number with -1, the result will be of negative. When we multiply a positive number, okay, then determine the product with -1. It is given that when we multiply -1, the result is -22. So we have to write the number. Then we can fill up into -1 equals to -22. It is given. So when we multiply a number with 1, the result will be that number. Because we know a into 1 equals to a. So it is minus, then the answer will be only 22. B is 37. Then it is positive. So we had -37. C is 0. So 0 multiply with a number, the result will be 0. So the answer is 0. Question number 4. Starting from -1 into 5, we have to write various product pattern. From -1 into 5 to up to -1 into -1. Okay. So -1 into 5, -5, -1 into 4, -4, -1 into 3, -3, -1 into 2, 2, -1 into 1, -1, -1 into 0, 0, and then the last one -1 into -1, the result will be 1. So from here we can see when we multiply two negative integers, the product will be positive. 5 is we have to multiply using suitable properties. So in first A part we can see -48 is common. So we can take common by distributive property. Then 26 minus 36, then it is -10. 48 into 10, 480, and minus are even, so the sign will be of positive. B, by commutative property, then the answer is -53,000. We can arrange the numbers. C is, here also we can arrange the number. First we multiply 25 into 4 into 10. Then it comes 1000, and 15 into 1000, it is 15,000. And sign of minus, so -15,000. D part, -40 into 102. 102 को हम कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं? 100 plus 2. So we, by using distributive property, then first we multiply 41 into 100, then it is -4100, and -41 into 2, then -82, minus minus plus, then the answer will be -4182. So now we can do the remaining part. So let's check what is question number 6. They are given a certain freezing process that a room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. At it is in every hour it reduced by 5 degrees Celsius. So question is, what will be the temperature after 10 hours? So given the current temperature, is 40 degrees Celsius. Change in the temperature after 10 hours. 10 into it is downwards, so -5, then -50 degrees Celsius. So temperature after 10 hours, 40 minus 50, then the temperature will be -10 degree Celsius. Question number 7. In a class test, for correct answer 5 marks is awarded and for incorrect answer -2 is awarded. So Mohan is a boy. He correct 4 answer and 6 incorrect answer. We have to find the total score. So marks for 4 correct answer equals to 4 5s are 20, and for incorrect answer 6 2s are, it is -12. Then we subtract 20 minus 12, the answer is 8. So Mohan scored 8 marks. B part is Reshma. Reshma, the correct answer is 5 and incorrect answer is 5. So for correct answer she scored 5 5s are 25, and for incorrect 5 2s are 10, -10. So when we subtract 25 minus 10, it is 15. So Reshma scored 15 marks. Third is Hina. So marks for 2 correct answer, 5 2s are 10, and for incorrect answer 5 2s are 10, but it is -10, and we subtract 10 minus 10, it is 0. So Hina scored 0 marks. Question number 8. There is a cement factory. Profit of ₹8 per bag of white cement sold, and loss for per bag ₹5 for grey cement. A company sell 3,000 white cement and 5,000 grey cement. We have to find what profit or loss. Profit earned by selling white bags, then 8 3s are 24,000, and for grey 5 5s are 25,000. Then the loss is greater, so loss incurred equals to 25,000 minus 24, then it will be 1,000. Loss कितना हुआ? 1,000 rupees. B is, what is the number of white cement bags? It must be sold to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400. It is given the number of grey bags is 6,400. We have to find white cement bags. So let we suppose white cement bag equals to X. Then loss incurred by grey cement 6,400 into 5. It is 32,000. And profit earned equals to 8 into X. Then it will be 8X. And in the question it is given neither profit nor loss. Then profit and loss both are equal. So we can put the equation 32,000 equals to 8X. Then X equals to 32,000 divided by 8. Then X equals to 4,000. Then white bags equals to 4,000. Question number 9. This is the last question of this exercise. We have to fill the blanks. It is given -3 into -3 into fill up equals to 27. So 3 9s are 27 and it is positive. So there should be a negative sign. B part, 5 into dash equals to minus 35. So we know that 5 sevens are 35 and here is minus. So we get minus 7. Dash into minus 8 equals to 56. Minus 56. Then 8 sevens are 56. Dash into 12 equals to 132. Then we can also divide 132 divided by 12. Then the answer is 11. But here it is positive. So we take the negative sign. So now we have completed this exercise. Thank you for watching my videos. Like, share and subscribe Gyan Setu.